Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing access. Sign in and get your API key, because without it you cannot call the image generator. Once you've copied the key, store it in a secure file or environment variable so you avoid leaking it. Next, test connectivity with a small curl request or use Postman to confirm the endpoint responds. Make sure to set the authorization header correctly and use a simple prompt so you can verify the round trip before moving on to more complex prompts. Now you focus on crafting effective prompts and tuning parameters. Describe subject, style, and mood in one clear sentence so the model understands intent. Include camera angle or color palette if needed. Then tweak size, quality, seed, and diffusion steps. Higher steps give detail but cost more. Use negative prompts to exclude artifacts or unwanted objects. Once done, run several iterations with small changes to see how each parameter affects output, because incremental adjustments teach you which settings produce the look you want. Finish by selecting the best renders and saving both images and the exact prompt, seed, and parameters so you can reproduce results later. If you need higher resolution, upscale or request larger size and rerun with similar settings. Make sure to optimize cost by batching attempts and deleting unwanted outputs. If things go wrong, unexpected artifacts, or emptiness, try reducing diffusion steps, changing the seed, or tightening negative prompts. Those adjustments usually resolve quality issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.